Hi everybody, let's harvest our 4 pineapples. Let's go. Okay, let's peel it. I think it's look juicy. Let's see if it is sweet. So it's not easy to peel it. So what I'm gonna do?
Oh my God! I hope you're not hungry at home because this is taking forever.
Just put time lapse.
I have time to drive to Robinson and get one.
Time lapse.
I will time lapse. Don't worry. I have to speed it up. This is way too long.
Diba, King? It's not quick to do this.
The Canadian is giving tips on how to clean pineapple, huh? Diba?
Because you are a real farmer. That's why you are giving tips to us.
Is your husband from Saskatchewan a pineapple farmer?
Don't think so.
Sorry?
I don't think so.
You don't like my tips?
Oh, you are not a farmer.
What do you mean?
Because you don't
I'm
know
from
how to clean the farm.
Babe, I'm from Saskatchewan. I must be a farmer.
So if you are from the Saskatchewan, so
You don't believe I'm a farmer?
what now? English
Ask Paul
again.
Hebner. Ask my cousins, Nimigears. Ask Craig, cousin Craig. He'll tell you I'm a farmer. Or Lauren, Marilyn. They'll tell you. Whoa, it's looking nice though. Even though it's taking a long time.
See? If you really care to work, like when you work with care, the result will amazing. It will
Wow.
amazing. Diba?
How much for this pineapple at the store? At Robinson, for example?
This size, I think 90 or 6, 7.
No, 90. That's the price at Sibyllin, or sorry, that's the price at Valencia Market. What's the price in Robinson? More than that.
120.
No, like mangoes, for example, are 100 at Valencia Market, and they're 300 at Robinson Grocery Store.
Oh, I never buy fruits from Robinson, so that's why I didn't know the prices.
No, I think it's much more. What did you know, Ging, what it costs?
No, I don't know.
Pardon me?
I don't know.
Ging doesn't know either. What's the best place? Where's the best place to buy pineapple if you can't get them for free? From the street vendors?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Like,
How much when you're going up to the mountains, the roadside sellers?
this size 40.
40 for this size. So double at the Valencia Market,
40, 50.
and then double again at Robinson Grocery Store or other grocery stores. Lee Plaza.
From our barangay, this is like 30 or
At Namambon Market.
Kangatap.
30?
Yeah, 30.
So 30 at Namambon Market, 40 on the street side, roadside vendors on the road, and then double down here.
Like near city.
Yeah.
But if you buy from the farm, it's just like 25, 30. The mountain in Kangatap or Namonbon. Almost.
Okay, I'm gonna have a nap. Can you let me know when it's ready? Wow, oh my God, look how juicy it is. Hold it up again, babe. Hold it up again. Look how much juice is pouring off. Can you drop? Oh my God, put the juice into the bowl. It's so good, don't waste the juice. That is so juicy.
I think I need
Too hot again. The camera closed.
Kano nahiwaon. Kaon na.
Can you give us a piece for a taste test?
After this.
I can't believe how much juice is coming off that. Wow. So fresh, right from the plant. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, we gotta do the taste test.
Ay, katawag niya.
Put the hat on, babe. There we go.
Okay.
You gotta rate it 1 out of 10. Like Dave Portnoy, 1 bite taste test.
One more.
Exactly like Dave. It's so juicy. Look at it dripping.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Wow. Amazing.
One bite.
Confirm.
It's really 9. I put it.
You're gonna feed me or I have to feed myself?
You feed yours.
Okay, here it goes. Oh my God.
It's your turn.
Oh, it's too small for me. Amazing. If you haven't tried fresh pineapple, come to the Philippines. It's dripping.
It's really juicy.
Wow. Such tough grader. 10 out of 10, definitely, from a foreigner perspective. The local says 9 out of 10. I don't know how it can get any better. Wow.
It's really obvious that you really like it because you finish one whole thing.
Wow. That's from our home garden. That's pineapple for you. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Please subscribe to watch other videos. What do you have to say there, my wifey? Should they subscribe?
Yes, thank you for supporting our small YouTube channels.
Oh, and this is what you plant. So you just take this now and you plant this in the ground and you'll have a new pineapple come up. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, or the saha. What do you call that, King? The
new one.
huh? The I'll also search it. I will put
The
in the
saha.
comment.
How do you spell saha?
Huh?
How do you spell saha? You guys don't know?
Basta saha. I will put in the comment.
Oh, just gonna
English.
in the description. We'll add this in the description. Okay, come to Philippines and try the pineapple. And you might even meet a Filipina like this. Wow, sana all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.
Yes.
Come and visit in the Philippines.
Thank you.
Umping.
Take care. Oi! Hi everybody. Let's hi everybody. It's a twice.
Hold your knife up,
Everybody,
babe.
let's-
Hold your butt. Sweet, sweet.
Hi everybody.
Sweet.
Let's this fourth pineapple. Hi everybody. Let's harvest our 4 pineapples. Let's go.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this next video. I hope you like it also. When are you visiting the Philippines?